I got another side hustle app for you. Are you ready for this one? This app will match you up with the skills you have and the shifts you desire to work. I'm talking about any shift, part-time, full-time, day, night. All you need is a phone to download this app and sign up to get started. You can get paid as fast as 30 minutes after you clock out. Regular jobs make you wait 1 or 2 weeks before you see any money. But are you willing to wait that long to get paid for the work that you did that day?
Not today.
I know that's right. Now, if you know how to bartend, wash dishes, cook, or wait tables, this app is for you. Now, you're probably wondering, what app is this?
What is it?
It's the Qwick App.
What does it say again?
If you didn't hear what I said, I'll say it again. The Qwick App. They have a 2-way rating system, which means that the better you do, the more shifts you get. Also, after signing up, you have to complete a one-time orientation, which is very quick and easy to do on your phone. Set up your Stripe account, and then you're ready to start working shifts. New shifts frequently become available in the matches section of the Qwick app. So be sure to check your app often. You don't want to miss anything. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try this awesome app. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.